Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss a very important and very interesting topic, that is Einstein equation. Okay. So Einstein equation states that in a semiconductor, if we divide the diffusion constant and mobility, then we see that diffusion constant and mobility ratio is equal to Vt. Vt is thermal voltage. Okay. We know the formula of Vt thermal voltage is K bar T by Q, where K bar is Boltzmann constant and the numerical value of K bar is 1.381 into 10 to the power minus 23 joule per degree Kelvin. I have written here. And Q indicate again same charge, and the magnitude is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, same. And here T is temperature, and temperature in Kelvin. Basically we will take here temperature in Kelvin. Okay. Now if we plug all these data K bar and Q here, then after simplification we get this relation T upon 11,600. So from this we can say, for let's suppose for electrons, let's suppose we have a n-type semiconductor. So for n-type semiconductor, as we know, the majority charge carriers are electrons. Then for electrons, the diffusion constant of electron divided by the mobility for electrons, and if suppose we have a p-type semiconductor, for p-type semiconductor the majority charge carriers are holes. So diffusion constant for holes divided by the mobility for holes is equal to thermal voltage. This is the Einstein relation. Okay. So after plugging all these data we get this one. So from this Einstein equation we can say that ratio of diffusion constant and mobility, the ratio of diffusion constant and mobility is directly proportional to temperature. So we can write this. So this is a very important relation, okay, that the diffusion constant and mobility is directly proportional to temperature. Now point is this, that why this is so important regarding the gate point of view. Around I think in 1997, in 1998 and in 2009 and one more year, 4 to 5 times the same question comes from this topic. What is the question? Question is, what is the unit of mobility divided by diffusion constant? This is the question, that what is the unit of mobility divided by diffusion constant. So we can check here. देखिए, अच्छा, lot of students are doing what? They plug the unit of mu. Unit of mu is like meter square per volt second or centimeter square per volt second, and for diffusion constant unit is centimeter square per second or meter square per second. So they plug here and then cancel out each one, but this is a lengthy process. Within second you can find by using this Einstein relation that what is the unit of mobility divided by diffusion constant. Look here. So diffusion constant divided by mobility is equal to what? Thermal voltage, right? And the unit of thermal voltage is volt. Clear? So unit of thermal voltage is volt. It means the ratio of diffusion constant divided by mobility has same unit as has thermal voltage. So D by mu unit is volt, right? So the unit of mobility divided by diffusion constant is volt inverse, because inverse is volt inverse, right? So this question, very important question, gate 1990, I think 7, 1998 and in 2009, very important. So these 3 years continuously it is repeated. 2 year 97, 98 it is continuously repeated, and then again in 2009 it is asked. Okay, so this is the Einstein equation, Einstein relationship, very interesting. Okay, one more point here, that if you see here, that diffusion constant and mobility is directly proportional to temperature. So ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट ने गलती क्या की, most of the students they have in their mind that diffusion constant divided by mobility is directly proportional to temperature. So they thought that unit of d by mu is temperature, Kelvin, degree centigrade. That is wrong. Okay, clear है? तो बस ये छोटा सा पॉइंट है, इसको याद रखिएगा. So because of this only, unit wise it is very important topic. Okay, thank you.